Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to resize images in Canva with a simple method. Once you open Canva and start working on a project, you will have your canvas ready. Canva allows you to add photos from its Elements library or upload your own. These images have their sizes, but you can easily resize them to fit your project. If you want to resize an image to match the size of your main project, first check the project dimensions. For example, if my project is set to 500 by 500 pixels and I want my image to match that size, I will drag the image and place it into the background. Canva will automatically resize the image to fit the background. Now, the image is 500 by 500 pixels. If you do not want the image as the background, click on the three dots and select Detach Image from Background. This will separate the image from the background while keeping its resized dimensions. To set the image as a background again, click on the three dots and select Set Image as Background. If you want to resize an image by cropping it instead, simply select the image and adjust its edges by dragging the corners. This allows you to make the image smaller or bigger as needed. If you want to resize both the image and the main project, set the image as the background first. Then, look for the Resize option at the top of the screen. Here, enter your desired dimensions. For example, if the current size is 500 by 500 pixels and I want to resize it to 1250 by 890 pixels, I will enter these values and click on Copy and Resize. Canva will resize the entire project along with the image. Now, the image and the project have been resized to the new dimensions. This method is quick and simple, and you can use it anytime you need to resize images in Canva. That's it. Thank you for watching.